60 years ago, the first animal in orbit. In 1957, humanity took a giant leap into the cosmos, but that leap came with a heartbreaking price. This is the story of Laika, the little dog who made history, but never came home. Stick around for the tragic tale of a space pioneer you'll never forget. Welcome back to Universe Buzz. The Cold War wasn't just about politics. It was a race to the stars. The Soviet Union had just shocked the world with Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. But they wanted to go further. They wanted to send a living creature into orbit. And so the search for a space traveler began. Enter Laika, a stray dog wandering the streets of Moscow. Chosen for her size, calm demeanor, and resilience, she was plucked from obscurity and thrust into the world of space exploration. Scientists believed that if a dog could survive space, so could humans. But what they didn't tell the world was that Laika's journey had no return plan. Laika underwent rigorous training, being confined in tiny spaces, subjected to loud noises, and experiencing extreme G-forces. She, along with 2 other dogs, was tested relentlessly. In the end, she was the one selected for history. But what awaited her was far from glory. On November 3, 1957, Sputnik was launched with Laika inside. The world watched in awe as she became the first living being to orbit Earth. At first, Soviet reports claimed she was alive, monitoring her vital signs, but the truth was much more tragic. Due to a design flaw, the thermal insulation failed. Within hours of launch, the temperature inside the capsule soared past 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius. Laika, frightened and alone, succumbed to heat and stress. She had died long before her spacecraft even completed an orbit. For years, the Soviet Union claimed Laika survived for days. But in 2002, Russian scientists finally revealed the heartbreaking truth. Laika had perished just hours after launch. Her mission was never meant to bring her home. Though Laika's journey ended in tragedy, her sacrifice paved the way for human spaceflight. Just 4 years later, Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space. Without Laika, that moment may never have happened. Today, monuments, songs, and even a planet bear her name, an eternal tribute to a little dog who touched the stars. Laika's story is one of sacrifice and scientific ambition, but it also serves as a reminder. Progress should never come at the cost of compassion. What do you think? Should space exploration have been handled differently? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more space stories on Universe Buzz. Until next time, keep looking up.